Wisdom from the wild. In the wild heart of Masai Mara, animals gathered by the river, cheetah, elephant, giraffe, and more, each boasting their unmatched power. They invited the sun as moderator and the moon as judge. "I'm the fastest," roared the cheetah. "I'm the strongest," trumpeted the elephant. "I tower above all," said the giraffe. The air whispered, "I can sweep all away." The water warned, "I can flood life out." The fire crackled, "I can burn it all." Then came the earth. "I hold you all. One shake and everything falls." Then sky intervened. "If I open, nothing survives." The sun and moon smiled and said, "Your powers are grand, but the greatest power is to serve, not to destroy. Let love guide your strength." The animals listened, learned, and celebrated each other's gifts. True strength lies not in destruction, but in kindness, unity, and being helpful to others.